friend and she's being so mean to us.
I know.
I have a really good idea.
What?
Do you want to go adventuring?
Sure, let's go.
I wonder what's been happening to this forest for all these years.
I know, right? I've always been wondering that. There's a trail, let's go.
Yeah. Where does this trail lead to?
I don't know.
What the heck?
There's a door.
That has a man says welcome. Why would there be a welcome sign in the middle of nowhere? Whose car is that?
Don't
Dump
know.
in here. It's a dump in here.
Why is there a scarecrow in here? How do we get out?
I'm scared.
Who closed the door?
It's locked too.
Oh my gosh. Who lives here?
This was supposed to be a cabin and a nice adventure.
It's getting below 52 degrees now.
Who said that?
It's getting below 52 degrees now. Children, don't be alarmed. It's just me. And when I feel you, you'll be nice and tender. Now, I'm gonna go over here. And I'm going to unlock the door. And you guys can run free. And I will kill you. Go!
Oh my gosh, she's coming! She's coming! Who are you? Get out of here!
Nikki? 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 Ah, Nikki! Oh. Help me, help you! Thank you for watching! This pussycat.